It is just a distance between the promise and its fulfillment. It's a straight line, and this straight line is prayer. All you need to do to receive God's promise is to stay in the place of prayer. That's what the apostles, they went to the upper room and began waiting in prayer. Prayer is all it takes. That's just the distance between the promise God has made and you receiving it. Pray. Nothing more. Prayer is the straight line, the shortest distance. So every other thing you are doing, you are just unnecessarily disturbing yourself. If God has promised fruit of the womb, wait in prayer. God has promised healing, wait in prayer. God has promised success, wait in prayer. You see, all this jumping up and down, you cross one mountain to the other mountain so that you can quicken the promise of God or the blessing of God. It's not going to help you. You are just wasting your time. Stop going to places where you are giving 10 tips on how to receive the blessings of God sharp. It does not work. There are no tips that are shorter than prayer to receiving the blessing of God. 5 ways of making the grace of God work in your life. It is not true. 10 secrets to having prosperity. All of them are lie. It is just a distance. Prayer. In the gospel, did you see Jesus? What was he doing? He was praying. Praying to the Father for the apostles and for himself. He was praying. Hannah prayed. Hannah did not go to consult any man of God while she was barren. She was waiting on God in prayer. And Samuel came. She went to one temple. She did not change places of her. She did not go to one mountain to consult. The distance between her and the miracle she was looking for was prayer. She did not go from one mountain of smoke to the mountain of thunder. She stayed in the temple near where she lived. But your own, you have jumped from one ministry to the other, from one church to the other, because you hear that there is a secret. Come and learn the 20 secrets to effective prayer or having prayer answered. Listen, there is no secret apart from what Jesus has said. There is no secret. I've thought about prayer and I've told people, prayer, there is no complication about prayer. Prayer is not even a gift. There are no people who are gifted with prayer and some are not. Prayer is communication. You are a child of what God understands. Even if you are a stammerer and you are kneeling down there praying to God for safe journey, maybe before you do in the name of the Father, before you finish in the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit, maybe 5 minutes has gone. But Mr. Jude Onoha, who has the gift of eloquence, has already finished quoting from Genesis to Revelation, and has even rendered all the choruses in the word for prayer. God is not going to prefer his own prayer to yours. The fact that you are stammering does not mean that God will not hear your prayer. There is no secret. Be calm. Stay where you are. It is prayer. Pray to God your own way. The apostles went to pray. Jesus prayed. Stay in the place of prayer. That's what the upper room is all about. So, dear brothers, dear sisters, it is just a distance. We don't have the time. We don't have the luxury to make detours and branches that are unnecessary. When Jesus sent the disciples out, he said, go straight. Do not even greet anyone on the way. Go straight to the business that I've sent to you. All I'm saying is that from one point of significant event in your life to another is just a distance. Sometimes it is even random. You can move from joy to sadness. You can also move from sadness to joy. Just a distance. Psalm 30 verse 5 says, at night there are tears, but joy does what? Comes in the morning. The most important question today is, are you in the place of preparation? The apostles went to the upper room. The upper room was a place that they had to prepare and wait for the promise. So it is just a distance between one significant event in your life and another. To watch full videos and get notifications for new ones, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.
Sign up with the largest community of Catholics online. Make new friends, chat, post pictures and videos, make and receive audios and video calls, interact with lots of priests and religions. Download the app from Google Play Store.